Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to change payment method in App Store. Let's begin. So your App Store, guys, is hinged to your Apple ID. So as mentioned in my other video tutorials, whatever payment method or anything that's being set up on your Apple ID that's connected to, all purchases that you have for App Store. So say for example, you wanted to change your payment method. This is how it's done. So I've already passed through the preliminary or the previous security or authentication process before I could get to manage payments. So for me to secure the personal information like the username and password, I just go directly to manage payments. Later I will show you how to get here. But as of the moment, let's just click on add payment method. So say for instance you've already set up a what you call this a payment method, guys. All you need to do is just select and change rather what payment method you would like to have for all purchases from your iPhone. So say in this case we have Gcash and PayMaya here. So if I don't want my credit card to be charged, so I can just do this. So just select whatever payment method that you like to have. So that's pretty much how you change it. So where you do this, guys, I'm giving you here an example. I got this screenshot from support.apple.com. So if say for example I'm already on my Apple profile, my Apple ID. Once you click, so when you go to your settings and then the name that appears at the topmost portion of the page, so just click on that and then it will lead you here. Click or tap on payment and shipping. When you tap on that one, it would prompt you to put your password for Apple ID. And then once you're there, it would lead you to manage payments page, the one that I'm showing you earlier. So that's how easy it is to change your payment. And then once that's done, you could already make another purchase for app if you wish to do so in App Store. So there you go. So I hope you learned something today. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.